it was so hard to let go, especially my wife, that we hang into it. Nag-take out kami ng second mortgage. Imagine our mortgage was only $1,200 because we took out the second mortgage. Our bill was like close to $6,000 a month.
Wow. Yeah,
And
that's hard.
McDonald's, manager lang kami ng McDonald's at that time.
That was hard. That's
Right?
hard. Yeah.
It was really hard. Hindi pa ako
Yeah.
ahente nun.
Uh-huh.
Right? So I told my wife, nung i-renew na yung private, sabi ko, ma'am, we cannot do this anymore.
Yeah.
Right?
Parang
either we keep this, pero parati tayo magkaaway dahil sa pera.
Totoo.
Right? Baka eventually maghiwalay kami kung tinuloy-tuloy namin.
Tinuloy niyo.
Right? So, ikaw, open book ako sa'yo. That's how we met, actually, right?
No,
so,
yeah. I understand,
right?
which I appreciate, yeah.
Yeah, right? So, we let it go. Nag-file kami ng bankruptcy. My wife filed for bankruptcy. I filed for proposal because we were so much in debt because we wanted to keep the home so bad because that was our first home.
That's
right?
true. May emotional attachment ka eh. But yung guys na tumulong sa'yo to arrange those loans, did they explain to you kung ano yung...
No, well, that's the thing. I think that was my motivation to be an agent. And I told you this. Kaya ako naging agent. Kasi I don't want anyone else to go through what I went through.
That's true. Yeah.
Right? It's, hindi tayo big time na ahente, but, for 10 years na akong ahente, 2014.
That's true. Yeah.
Ako nag-umpisa mag-agent. Right? Pero, God is good kasi nilagay ka niya sa sitwasyon ganon. Right? I think if I don't experience that, I wouldn't be in a position where I am in today. Na ito, alam mo to, pare ko, may mga properties na tayo na pinapaupahan. Right? Nakakapag-flip tayo. Right? Na, life is much better compared to where I was before. And sabi ko nga, imbis na magalit siguro ko do sa mga taong that helped me to be in that position, siguro I should thank them kasi they made
who you are.
Totoo yung kung pag wala ka na, doon ka lang makakagawa ng paraan kung how to make yourself better, which is your question, how I made myself better through going to those hardship. Bro, kung makikita mo lang, I have like tons of books there. Right? Like self-help, self-motivation, kasi no one will motivate you to do better by yourself. Right? I learned na ikaw ginagawa mo to, I listen to motivational speeches, videos, I try to read books, I try to finish one book in a month, but that's the goal anyway. But
that's the goal, yes.
Kasi that's my growth, right? Kasi sa atin sa industry natin, wala tayong boss that will push you hard. At kung wala tayong benta, wala tayong kita.
You have to be
right? We find way to motivate ourselves.
Self-starter, yes.
Right? To get started on our day. Right? So, yun yung growth ko, yun yung para sa akin, yun yung nakakatulong sa akin to stay afloat sa hirap ng buhay. And obviously, yung support ng wife mo kasi, syempre, without our wife na, syempre, hindi naman kada buwan may benta tayo, pero she's there, she works on your behalf, she shoulders some of the bills, swerte lang tayo kasi may katuwang tayo na gano'n, right?
Totoo. And that's one of the, yung pinaka-importanting advice also na you have to find a good wife.